metal roof lasts twice as long as an asphalt one, but it costs 2 to 3 times more. So which one's the smart buy? Honestly, the answer isn't on your roof, it's in your calendar. I'm Joe with Integrity Home Exteriors, and we install both asphalt and metal roofing. So let me give you each one at its best. Asphalt's the most common option. Good architectural shingles get you 20 to 30 years in our climate, and it's the most affordable way to get a great roof. If a storm knocks a few shingles loose, that's a quick and expensive repair. Metal roofing plays more of the long game, lasting 40 to 50 years or more. In addition to longer life, it also gives you a custom, unique look that you just can't get with asphalt roofing. And once you put it on your home, you never have to worry about it again. Both of these cost you something, just in different ways. With asphalt, you'll buy a roof again eventually. Stay there long enough, and you're re-roofing maybe once or twice in the same time that one metal roof lasts. With metal, the cost is all upfront at 2 to 3 times the price. And when it does need a repair, that takes a specialist rather than just a quick fix. So the real question is, how long are you staying? If you're moving in the next 10 to 15 years, asphalt is your answer. Full protection without paying for decades if you won't be there to use it. If this is your forever home, metal roofing changes the math, because that could be the last roof you ever buy. Either way, the details matter more than the material. Our winters freeze and thaw all season long, and that finds every weak spot. The flashing, the valleys, the ice and water at the eaves, metal or asphalt, a roof lives or dies on the install. Get a free inspection and see which option is best for your home. Integrity Home Exteriors. Let's build better.